Superlink SL-G10 Kitchen Duct Cleaning Robot. The Superlink SL-G10, the ultimate solution for professional kitchen duct cleaning. Over time, restaurant kitchen exhaust pipes accumulate thick layers of grease. If not removed regularly, these deposits can lead to dangerous fire hazards. That's why it's crucial to keep flue pipes clean and safe. The SL-G10 features a stainless steel body with IP66 waterproof and corrosion-resistant protection, ensuring durability in harsh environments. Its closed magnetic circuit shoe provides a strong grip without wearing out, while the high-definition camera, with a powerful LED spotlight, allows real-time monitoring in dark, cramped spaces. Despite its compact size, this robot boasts a robust dragging force and flexible elastic tensioning tracks, enabling it to cross large welds smoothly. Equipped with a constant